In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Algorand tokens using Trust Wallet. This process involves several straightforward steps that will guide you through the purchasing procedure effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to a search engine. Type in Trust Wallet in the search bar and press enter. This action will display a list of relevant results related to the Trust Wallet platform. Next, locate the link for the Trust Wallet extension. It is typically listed in the search results. Click on the link to access the Trust Wallet extension page. Once the page loads, you will see options to download or access the extension. After that, find and click on the fund option within the Trust Wallet interface. This section is usually prominently displayed and allows you to manage your wallet's funding options. Following this, select the Buy Crypto button. This action will redirect you to a page where you can purchase various cryptocurrencies, including Algorand. Once you are on the purchase page, look for the option that says choose a crypto. Click on this option to view the list of available cryptocurrencies for purchase. This is an important step as you will be selecting Algorand from this list. Now click on the search bar to begin looking for Algorand. This search functionality will help you quickly find the token you wish to acquire. Enter Algorand into the search field and wait for the results to populate. After the search results appear, identify the specific Algorand token you want to purchase. The token should be clearly labeled, allowing you to confirm that you are selecting the correct one. Once you have found the desired Algorand token, click on it to select it. This action will take you to a new screen where you can specify the amount you wish to buy. Next, enter the amount of Algorand tokens you intend to purchase. Be mindful of your available funds and ensure that you are not exceeding your budget. Finally, click on the Continue button to proceed with the transaction. After clicking, you may encounter a confirmation screen displaying the details of your purchase. Review this information carefully to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.